This is Unit 1, Lesson 9, 7th grade Geography of World Regions Overview. Here in Rubicon, you can see you have your lesson guide here, and then lots of activities for you to embed into your class if you so desire. All right, so we're going to take a look at our lesson guide here, how to use the geographic inquiry-based process to study Earth. So our focus in this is actually our last of our themes, which is application. This is geographic application. So taking what we know and then going and studying different problems around the world. So we're going to teach a method for geographic inquiry as foundational knowledge for the global problems and solutions and be exploring in the course. So students are going to follow along with the teacher to learn about the process, and then we're going to actually complete some together and then some on our own. So we have can statements, and so when we get to activity 1, you'll notice there is a chart the students use, and then this walks them through the geographic inquiry process. So what are the kids going to be doing every time they address a problem? And then in activity 2, we're going to practice that using the pollution in the river. So we're going to just talk a situation where there's some pollution, and students are going to complete that document together with us. And then in activity 3, we'd like to use this one with an assessment to see, okay, are they getting it? Now, for Aiken, they're going to walk through the processes of the geographic inquiry, finding the information to how they were going to research that and complete a new park for Aiken. And then in Act 4, you have 3 different examples here, but you are free to add to, take away from this. Your kids choose their own. Basically, what we want students to do here is to choose an issue or problem, and we want them to examine it. So we included 3. There's pedestrian car accidents. They're going to create a geographic inquiry of this problem. The idea that there are certain areas in your community that are prone to accidents, pedestrian or car accidents. And so you're going to walk through that problem and come up with some possible solutions to that problem. In example 2, the issue or problem is fish kill in local rivers. So, we have the Savannah River not far from us. Are there some problems with fish kill in rivers? What could be leading to the problem or the cause? And, how does that in turn affect the people around there? And then what are some possible solutions? And then once you have a solution, what are you going to do with it? That's the last part of the geographic inquiry is, what are you going to do with that information now that you have it? And then problem 3 is shipping traffic. So if you live near a port, if your town like Charleston, are there some problems that come into ports with shipping traffic? And so what could be the cause of some of those? How do we address them? What are some possible solutions? Then what do we do with that information once we have it? Okay, so there are PowerPoints that guide through these. There's a geographic area, and then we've included websites and things of that to help you with those. For the pollution in the Rapid River and for Aiken, we have included a teacher version so that you can see some of the answers that we for from students. And again, you have autonomy and flexibility to choose things other than what was chosen for you. These were things that resources were available for, and that is why we've chosen these. But please feel free to go out on your own. And if you have something you would like for us to add to Rubicon, please don't have to reach out to any of the curriculum team members, and we'll be happy to get those included in our wonderful resources on Rubicon. This is Unit 1, Lesson 9 Overview.